Little freestyle for y'all. Ballin', ballin', ballin' like a wall. You already know, nigga, I fucking ball. Ain't gonna fucking fall, gonna stand tall. You already know, yo, bitch, always call. But I click, fuck that fucking trick. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. That's my motherfucking motto. You already know, fuck with no hoe. That's how I go. I stay in no hoe. Still at the fucking block. Got that motherfucking Glock. About to hit you with a pop. What you niggas gon' do? Nothing, homie. I'm with my crew. What you fucking niggas who don't know me? Spit it back. Let this nigga hit on the track. You already know. Let me wind it back.
Let me spit a little motherfucking verse. Cause you already know I'll put you in the dirt. Yeah, let me buy the fucking stop. And I don't give a fuck. Fucking tatted from the back, from the chest, and from the wrist. I'll put you in the fucking set. Yeah, you already know what it is. Yeah, they call me FLAK. I don't give a fuck. Hit you with that AK. Bad bitch, you already know what it do. I don't give a fuck. Fully strapped with the deuce. You already know I'm about to blow. Bad bitch, she about to call. On the iPhone, you already know. When I take that bitch home, I'm about to bone.
Bone like a fucking phone. Don't give a fuck, homie. I'm little fucking dumb. Hit you in the dome. Get you niggas with the fucking chrome. What you gon' do? You gon' run to your home. Fuck with me, homie. I'll take you out, make you RIP. Coming from Little G from the south. HBLK. Fuck you niggas. What you gon' say? I don't give a fuck. My AK gon' straight. Black, you gon' see fucking 5 flashes. I just seen last week 5 ashes. So big, you already know what it is. I don't give a fuck, homie. I'm with the bitch. Yeah, fuck with me. That's right. You know about that, homie.
Yes, sir.